Hi guys, it's me Raymond here again. I got my portfolio website finally built up and published. So far so good. I got the layout pretty basic, pretty organized and clean. I did some research and looked up at other concept artists to see how they laid it out, and it's pretty similar like this. They have their work laid out, and you just take a click and it will show their work. So far I just only put just a limited number, just to work on the home page like this, and so far I really like it. I got my sorry, I got my name, Chimera Arts, and my logo right here in the middle, looking pretty cool. And it's not complete. There's gonna be a lot of changes. I might have to get rid of this later. I was just testing it out, just making my home page as big and organized, good looking as possible, because I listen to podcasts of concept artists, and they say you want to have a portfolio that you want to do, a work that you would like to do more than, let's say, like graphic design. Like, I don't really like graphic design. I've mentioned that before. I like mostly environment design, and so I would want a studio or director to look at my environment design and take me on there. And because, if I get stuck with graphic design, your work is gonna be pretty known for that, and you're gonna be stuck there for a while, and you're gonna be pretty unhappy, and that's not what you want. But yeah, so far with this website, I'm really liking it. I can't wait to build this up and fix some stuff. That one was a bad one right there. The back button was like way down. I can't believe I didn't notice that. But yeah, that's what this portfolio is all about, and it keeps growing. Lots of studios are gonna want to see your work, see who you are, and from there, hopefully, a lot of studios would pick you up and get you the projects that you really liked. Let's see. Let's go to editor, and right here, go over here, change images, loading. And over here I can just remove that. And let's see, I just go add images. Let's see, I can probably go maybe, let's see, I probably have better ones more than this gallery. Let's say like maybe character design or concept design. Let's see, I know I got a good one somewhere. Not there. Oh, past it. There it is. Like concept art. Done. Add to gallery. Boom, boom. Put that U in the middle. Let's see. Oh yeah. Right here. Concept designs. Let's see. Just add a link. You go to page. Let's see. Let's. I don't know. Let's go over here. Done. Project 03. Okay, Project 03, let's check that out. Bunch of, just example work on what to do. Just get rid of that. And oh, let's finish this up. I'm wasting a lot of time. Let's see, add. Add to page. Boom, boom. Oh, our back button. Move that over here. Very quick. A little laggy. It's probably my internet speed. There's a storm out there, so whatever. It still got it done. It got it automatically save. Let's see. Let's go to portfolio. Let's go to preview. Yeah, done. Alright guys, yeah, let me know what you think. Is this, pretty good looking or boring? Let me know. Okay, bye guys, thanks.